Hello everyone, welcome to my video from my YouTube channel, Jimbo's Craft Store. Today I'm going to teach you how to make some of these. They are charms for bracelets. Instead of buying a charm, you get to make your own charm, and then you'll be able to attach them to these. So what you will need is these are called open eye pins, and you can get them from anywhere. I got these from Amazon, and you can get them short or long. These ones are long. I would get them the longer the better, because you've got enough space to make a loop at the other end in order for you to attach them to these. So let's start making. So what you need to do is you need to get one of these beads I got from Machine. I will link all the things I've made on my video, so you can try them at home. So you need to put one of these onto the pin. So you've got this, you have two for each end, and then you get a black bead. I will try and find links for you so you can get them. And so you now have silver and black. I'm choosing Evil Eye beads. I got these from Machine, and you put that on there. So now so far you've got silver, black and a Evil Eye, and then you do the same thing but in reverse, and then you do it with this. You've got it like that, in that kind of pattern, and then you do the end with the nice flowery bead, and then you have something like that. Right, and then you close it up and make a loop. And how you do this is a little bit complicated because of it being a bit fiddly. So get some wire cutters to cut it down to size. You cut so that much, a little bit more. And so then you loop it. So far you've got an L shape. You have to close it and make a loop so it doesn't come off on the strap. There you go, you've got a charm with two loops on either side. So then what you do is get your strap to open up the bracelet. So you should have it open like this. You then get your little charm, and then what you do is you close the link so there's no way of it coming off. And then you get the other side. Do the same thing. And here you go, you've got a nice bracelet ready to go and ready to wear. thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.